Okay, I'm reloaded. Big Dappuccino here. Okay, I'm kind of shaking. I know it's been a while, and life happens, man. Things happen outside of here. Most of y'all adults, y'all know what happens, hard working, paying bills. We got all types of natural disasters coming on, financial things going on, life and death situations. Uh, God bless everybody who watching this channel. Hope everything is going well for you. I want to thank the subscribers for holding me down, random viewers. Let's continue with our content. On the turntable right now, we have a custom that was done for me. A custom that was done by me by Diecast Clown. If you haven't subscribed to his channel, I encourage you to do so. And it is a 70 Toyota Celica GT. Well, it could be all the way up to 72 or 73, but they listed as a 70 in the Hot Wheels wiki. We'll get we'll get to this later because we'll have some comparing to do with another model. But this is going to be Mainline Masterpieces number 3. And the reason why I did this content, why I started this content, this is the third installment of it, is to get back to the essence of collecting, not just going after the chases and the hard to find premium, and it's appreciating what you got. And I learned a whole lot about my what's in my collection by doing research. So I'm just gonna share that with you. On the turntable right now, we got a 1970 Plymouth Cuda Matchbox that debuted in 35th anniversary of Superfast. Yeah, Matchbox Superfast. Produced from 2004 to 2011, unfortunately. Then they brought it back in 2018. Brought the casting back. That's a good thing. And it's produced again. This is the 2018 MBX Road Trip version in green with a black stripe. And it is a main line. It does not have tail light details or headlight details, but I think it's a pretty cool casting. And it's something that's attainable, so this is a good foundation for a customer if you will find the model and you decide to do so. Next, we got the 2008 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. They don't list it, but it's an Evolution 10. The last one they produced in real life. It's Hot Wheels. This debuted in 2008. New models designed by John Violet. Being that this is I said that replica 2008 model, it is a Evo 10, and this variation came from Gran Turismo 2018 when they was doing that series. And that's a game that's played on Sony PlayStation exclusively. I used to play that game earlier versions, but now I have an Xbox, so Xbox One, so and this one's yellow with the black yellow with the black 10 SP wheels. And I say it has the Gran Turismo. You see the logo on the side, and it has the '08 racing number. The headlights, of course, are the windshield. Has no tail light details, which is strange because I do have an earlier model, and I think it is a Hot Wheels that has headlights and tail lights. burgundy. I should have brought that one out. Oh well. Next, we're gonna go with the Celica, which I showed you the custom version of it. This is the 1970 Toyota Celica casting. It debuted in Hot Wheels City Street Power 2013, designed by Jun Amai. I guess that's right. This is the HWJ Imports 2021 version in metal flake mint green with orange and black stripes on the hood, and it has Kato House, which is his thing, which is Nulan May's thing that he developed. I don't know if he developed that while at Hot Wheels, but now that's the name of his company. So, and this has chrome gold J5 wheels. Let me contrast that with the custom, so you can just see some details that excuse me, Diecast Clown did to this bad boy. See, first thing you see is the tail lights. He kind of gave it like a skyline type thing, and he did some details in the seats. Two-tone and bad boys. I think he did something. Well, you can't see what he did. Shifter, I'll have to bring it up. He did some tail lighting in the. He did some. Yeah, he colored that too in the back. Made that silver. And I think the shifter, he did put in some work right there on the gear knob or something. And underneath this bad boy, he put in some work too. So, always thank Diecast Clown for that. I have a couple of customers from him. So, next, let's move on. We got a 2010 Ford Mustang GT that debuted as a California auto show giveaway in 2008. This is a Hot Wheels casting. It's designed by Phil Rowman, a very underrated designer. It was also a HWC.com exclusive in 2008, so you probably had to order that online. But the official debut in the Mainline was in 2009, new models in red. This is the second color variation for that same year, blue with the chrome PR5 wheels. And it's got tail lights, as you can see. Headlights are done. Somewhat. I don't think so. Not really. No, they're not really done. Because the indicators would be orange. Tail lights are done very well, to be honest. Indicators are done. They didn't do nothing with the headlights. So it's like, man. This is a good basis for a custom too. Nice wheel swap and everything. Probably put some Raleigh stripes or something on this bad boy. You in the house. Next, let's move on to the 2012 Acura NXS concept that debuted in HW Showroom Assault. Yeah, excuse me. It debuted in HW Showroom Asphalt Assault 2013. I think that was a special series. HW Showroom is a regular. Was a regular series. I don't know if they still do it. I know they were trying to do like a sub. I guess a just above Mainline series that was HW Showroom. I don't know what that Asphalt Assault part came from. Never seen that before. This casting was designed by the late great uh, Rio Asada. He did so many castings. Uh, This is actually the HW Showroom Asphalt Assault 2013 version in red with the I think it's the Trap 5 wheels. Even though I prefer the original Acura NXS design of the vehicle that was 2020 not was sorry. It started in I guess 1991 and it was ended in like 2004 in Japan. Probably ended way before that for the US though. But this body style has grown on me, even though I think they discontinued it in 2022. And it's a hybrid, so it's an all-wheel drive hybrid in real life. It was. So it's pretty cool. The tail lights and the headlights on this is done. And again, this is a good foundation for a custom. You know, I take it back. The tail lights on this one is not done because it was red. No, I'm wrong. They're done. You can see a little bit of orange in there, but because the car itself is red, it's just like the tail lights. They're kind of fading into existence. That's why red cars are not kind of sometimes my favorite to collect. I kind of like white. Give me a white or maybe a yellow or maybe a blue. Yeah, I try to stay away from red and black. But yeah, sometimes you get what you get. So that's pretty much it. That's the end for Mainline Masterpieces 3. As I always say, this is not the best diecast channel. It's not the worst either. The motto here is to show a little love for the diecast. Reason why I started this Mainline series to give some recognition to some castings that I think are underrated and some designers that are underrated from Hot Wheels and Matchbox. With that said, I hope that random viewers who run across this channel decide to hit the subscription button, notification button, leave me a comment behind, leave a like or a dislike. I love to get feedback to let me know where I'm at with the channel. I can take criticism. So I just want to thank everybody who tuned into that last video, because it was at a time where I wasn't even focused on, diecast. I haven't been on the pegs, been busy with work. I got some more stuff to do with work, between work and commuting, and then I had, well, not really household stuff, but yeah, I'm in flux. I don't really know what I'm gonna do as far as collecting, because I need more space. So anything, I need to get some more Plano cases. So I'm not gonna keep on rambling and keep y'all. So I want to thank everybody for tuning in. This has been Mainline Masterpieces 3. Peace and blessings, everybody.